Agricultural study uses and alkenes and alkenes. Agricultural study is a field that encompasses a wide range of topics related to the cultivation and production of crops and livestock. One important aspect of agricultural study is the use of alkenes and alkenes, which are hydrocarbons that play a crucial role in various agricultural processes. Alkenes. Alkenes and alkenes are organic compounds that are composed of carbon and hydrogen atoms. Alkenes are saturated hydrocarbon, meaning that they contain only single bonds between carbon atoms, while alkenes are understand hydrocarbon that contains at least one double bond between carbon atoms. These compounds are commonly found in petroleum and natural gas, but they also have important application in agriculture. One of the uses of alkenes in agriculture is a fuel for machinery and equipment. Many agricultural operations rely on tractors, combines, and other machinery that run on gasoline or diesel fuel, which are derived from alkenes. Alkenes such as ethylene are used in the production of synthetic rubber, which is used in tires or agricultural vehicles. Alkenes and alkenes are also used in production of plastics and other materials that are used in agriculture. For example, polyethylene, which is polymer derived from ethylene, is used in the production of plastic films that help control weeds and retain moisture in the soil. Alkenes and alkenes are essential to modern agriculture because they supply the ingredients, chemicals, and fuel required to maintain productive and environmentally friendly farming methods. By understanding the characteristics and uses of these carbons, our agricultural researchers can continue to develop innovative solutions to the challenges facing the agricultural industry.